Are you still placing dimension one by one in NX drafting? What if I tell you NX can create all dimension automatically in just a few clicks? Before we jump into the drafting, there is a one important thing to remember. First, make sure all sketches are visible in the 3D modeling environment. Now switch from the modeling environment to drafting environment. Here I have already created all the orthographic view. Next, go to the search bar and type the features parameter. Now you have two options. Select the existing sketch from the dialog box or directly select the orthographic view from the drawing sheet. After selecting the required view or sketches, simply click the OK. And that's it. NX automatically generated all the dimension based on the model features.